Hi, I'm Hannon from Sheet Leveler. In this video, I thought I'd kick things off with a quick Excel magic trick. But the moment I opened a fresh workbook, guess what? Microsoft is pushing Copilot right at me. Now here's the thing. AI tools like Copilot can be useful if you already know what you're doing. However, in my experience so far, the suggestions it provides in Excel are usually no better than what I can create myself. So let's turn it off. How to turn off Copilot in Excel. Go to File in the top left corner. Scroll all the way down and click Options. Tip: you can also press the Alt key and navigate to Options directly. In the Options window, find the new Copilot tab. Here you've got two choices. Turn Copilot off completely, or, like I'm doing for now, choose the Show Copilot icon only for highly relevant suggestions. Now, I'd love to know what Microsoft actually means by highly relevant. But either way, I don't have that distracting Copilot button on my screen anymore. Click OK, and that's it. Clean, simple, distraction-free Excel. That's all for this quick Excel magic trick. I'm Hannon from Sheet Leveler. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you'll be notified when I post more tutorials.